Hi friends, in today's video we are going to see one of the basic and fundamental concept in Java, that is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM and how the internal working goes for it. As you can see in the image, there is JDK which is represented in the yellow box, outer box. JDK is platform dependent, that is the JDK is different from Windows OS, Solaris OS, Mac OS and Linux OS. So JDK comes with Java Development Kit, as its full form goes. It comes with libraries and tools necessary to enable Java programming into your system. So if you consider a Java program, so when you write a Java program and compile it, so when the compiler comes into picture, it generates a .java file that is compiled into a .class file. The .class file is given to the GRE. GRE comes into the picture to run the Java code. JRE internal contains of Java, JVM and other libraries to run the Java code. JRE is platform dependent again like JDK, and JVM is platform independent, or we call it as architecture neutrals with its Vora concept, right? Once run anywhere. Architecture neutral means the JRE with the help of class libraries produces necessary Java bytecode into the JVM, which that bytecode can be executed on any hour. As you can see in the picture, it also JDK also contains debug. So either you can compile the program or you can debug the program. So from the JDK it is given to the GRE, and from the JDK it is the bytecode it runs on JVM, which produces the final bytecode, which is, and after which is executed, the result can be produced on the screen. One more, we can see a detailed working for it in the next picture. See this picture as it's shown. It shows the internal working class files. They are loaded by the class loader, and internally it interprets with JVM memory. Yeah. Now here there are various aspects of JVM memory shown. It contains method area, heap, stack, PC register, native method stack. We are not going to do the details of it, but internally JVM memory consists of all those components. So class loader loads all the class files given for execution to the JVM memory, and in the outer box we can see there is an execution engine which internally interacts with the native method interface. For example, there might be some methods or classes in C or C other languages, C, C++. For its needed JNDI, or we call it native method interface and native method libraries. So they interact with each other and they produce for giving the necessary commands or libraries or providing methods to the execution engine, and again from the execution engine the output goes to the JVM memory, and the ultimately the .class file is loaded to the class file, as you can see in the picture. So as you can see in this video, I presented the main working of JRE, JDK and JVM in short. So that was all in this video. Thanks for watching.